Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glady Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to continue with our topic Edit Poly. So if you have missed my previous tutorial, you can watch it free from my playlist, so you can know about what is the meaning of Edit Poly and how to use this. So now I am going to draw a box here, and we'll go to enlarge view of perspective, press Alt W and you will be in your perspective mode. So now I'm going to change this from default setting to edged faces, and I'm going to select this box and I'm going to modify list, and then we'll increase this segment here. So you can do it from parameter settings, and you can change the box size here also, and you can make some edged faces here. So this is our box, and now I'm going to right click here and I'm going to convert this to editable poly. So if you go above here, you can see these all are selection tools like vertex. So I have made tutorial, you can watch this, and this is edge, border, polygon and element. And if you press 1 on the keyboard, vertex will be selected. If you press 2, edge will be selected, and if you press 3, this border will be selected, and so on. 4 is for polygon and 5 is for element. So now I am going to start with vertex. So if you select this, you can see all the vertex of your edged faces are selected here. And if I am going to select this one, and I am going to use move tool here, can move to Z direction, can take it to X here, and you can take it to Y direction, and so on. So this is the use of vertex here. And if you want to select more vertex, you can go here and you can press this one, grow. So if I am going to click once, you can see it is growing in number. So instead of 1, now it is 5. So again I am going to press one more time, and you can see it has increased more here. So likewise this you can use to select more numbers of vertex without taking more time. So you can save your time. And if you want to reduce the number of vertex selected, you can press this one, shrink. So you can see it is getting reduced, and it has reduced to 1 here. So this is the use of shrink and grow. And you can see this ring and loop is disabled. So this is vertex, so it is not enabled in vertex, so it will be enabled in the another selection tool. So now I am going to select next one, edged here, and now you can select edge here. So edge are these corners, so you can select by using by vertex. And if I am unchecking this and I want to select this edge here, I can simply press this one and select. So if you will check this box by vertex, so you have to click on the vertex, then only this edge will be selected. Suppose if I want to select this edge here, I am not able to select this edge because it is checked here by vertex. So if I am selecting on any vertex, so you can see all the edges which are joining this vertex will be selected. So suppose I am clicking here, so all the 4 edges intersection of this vertex is selected. So if you want to select more, you can press shift and you can select more edges here, and you can select more edges if you press shift here. So I am going to ignore this vertex here, uncheck, and now I am going to click here, and now you can see here there are 4 tools is enabled here, like shrink, grow, which was also enabled in vertex, but this ring and loop were disabled in vertex, so it is enabled in edge here. So now I am going to grow the number of edges. So I am going to select grow. So you can see more edges are getting selected. So likewise you can use this grow and shrink for reducing the number of edges. And this one is ring, so it will be selected like ring. So suppose this is our edge here, I am going to press ring. You can see these all edges like ring is selected here, and then you can edit this if you want. And now the next is loop. So I'm going to select this edges here, and now I'm going to click on this loop. So all the edges which are forming loop will be selected, you can see here. So this is the use of this shrink, grow, ring and loop in the edge. Next I'm going to select borders. So borders, I already told you that borders will be selected if there will be opening. So you are required to create some opening, so you have to use polygon. I will tell you about polygon. So I'm going to delete. So openings are created. So these openings, now you can select this one border, and I am going to select border, and now I'm going to click on this. As you can see, all the borders are selected here, and now you can grow these borders by clicking grow, and you can also shrink this, and then you can also select this ring, it will be in a ring, and then the loop. So likewise you can use this border here. And now next is polygon. So you can select polygon, any polygon faces. You can select multiple by pressing shift, and you can also use this one grow. So it will be growing number, and shrink, it will be shrink. And then you can also select by angle. So whatever the polygon which are making 45, that will be selected. You can see all these polygons are making 45 degree, and if you make it 90 degree, it will be selecting all of the polygon. And if you reduce this angle here, suppose I am going to make this as 15 here. So all the polygon which are at 15, it will be getting selected. So it is not much in use, it will be used in animation. So for our picture we will not use this. So this is the function of polygon, this shrink, grow. Now we will use element. So element will select whole of this object, so no need of this growing here and shrink. So this is the basic use of this tools here, and in the next video tutorial we'll understand about this one, soft selection tool. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.